Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel PHYSICSSIRJEE, and I have brought forward to you some kind of surprise. Actually, some of you might have been already expecting, those who have been following my community post, that I am going to bring forward some kind of a discount to encourage students to study a bit more, right? And why this season? This season is not just a festive season, right? First of all, Merry Christmas and advanced Happy New Year to you. Also, it's a very important season, right? JEE, NTA, and all these people have made sure that the students are glued to their books and all the anxiety that has already set in their preparation. So I have tried my best in the last 1 week to diffuse that tension and try to provide you some support with some JEE main stuff. And here I am extending a helping hand to you people for JEE Advanced, which is also a very, very important exam for most of the subscribers in our channel. Okay, so let me keep the video short, try to explain what the discount is and how to get that discount for the JEE Advanced 2023 crash course. Okay, so let me just go through the agenda for the video quickly. Uh, um, to cut things short, right, I'll just provide you the discount coupon code for the JEE Advanced 2023 crash course. A lot of students have been requesting me for the last 1 month through mails and DMs. I might have counted somewhere around 40 to 50 total messages from students who have not yet joined the course, who wanted some kind of discount because they missed out on the referral program, right? So where they got 2000 discount, etc., etc. So that referral system, I can't bring it back because at this point, I don't want to disturb students, right? In a referral system, I'll become busy and students need to keep promoting and they doing. So I just wanted to keep a discount code to bring it to that particular level of this thing. So let me tell you how much the discount is. Discount is also very good. Right, and then I'll try to tell you in one slide because recent times people who have taken the course, JEE mains or advanced, and also people who are just in the app, they have been bombarding me with messages once NT has announced. So what to study in January? Should I concentrate on mains and completely leave advanced, or should I do advanced? And if so, how much mains, how much advanced? So I'll just give you a gist of what should be done in one particular slide. And then if some new students have joined here in the channel, right? I'll just give you a glimpse of what the app is, right? I'll not beat around the bush and all that because they have already made a video on how to access the app and all that. I'll just give you a link of that. Okay. So first, the most exciting part, right? For this new year, 2023, if you take up the JEE Advanced crash course, we are already out of 14 weeks completed 7 weeks. So successfully have finished half of the intended syllabus, half the number of weeks. And the surprising part is initially first 2 weeks there was a lot of uh, purchases, and then it went down a bit. And in the last 2 3 weeks, I could see that there is again a surge much higher than what the initial 2 weeks were. So that was pretty surprising. That I didn't expect, maybe because of the word of mouth spreading across the student community about the quality of the lectures, DPPs, the whole program, which is almost like a virtual institution. It's just not that I'm giving the lectures and you're reading and going off. It's more about the teacher-student connect that is established. That might have maybe given rise to the more number of purchases. So to encourage more students, those especially who have been mailing me and messaging me, I just wanted to add some more discount. So if you go into the app, right, PHYSICSSIRJEE app, you would find this particular course, JEE Advanced Complete 2023 Crash Course, which was already put at 50% off. Okay, so somewhere around 10,999 students have been paying in the last 2 months after the initial coupon codes have expired. So apart from that 50, let me add from that 2023 one more, just a kind of wordplay, right? To keep the slide interesting, that's it. So 50 plus 23, let's make it 73% discount. Okay, no, this will not be forever. Okay, I'll tell you the limit up to which you can use this. Okay, right. And the coupon code, no referral codes, nothing. You just directly apply this code. You'll get that extra 23% discount on already what 10,999 is extra 23%. This is the coupon code festive 73 without any space. Okay, just type it there. Most probably when you go into the app, try to purchase, it will automatically apply. Please check and apply. Okay, no refunds. If you forgot to apply this, then I cannot refund it. And I don't have enough time actually nowadays because of my 2023 and 2024 lectures, courses, DPPs, tests, doubt solving, JEE mains doubts group, all that keeps me occupied. Even for this video, I'm doing it in a hurry, somewhere around 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so please make sure you don't disturb me in the next 1 month for unnecessary things. You are all JEE mains and advanced writing people, so you should be able to apply this coupon code properly. Okay, right? And students, what do they pay finally when you apply that total 73 or extra 23% discount? You'll end up paying 8470 instead of this 10999. Okay, right. Some of the students might be thinking, why join in the seventh or eighth week? What about the first weeks? So the logic is that uh, 7 out of 14 weeks are completed, but students keep joining every week. As I told you, since in this particular course, the greatness is that lectures, recorded ones, DPPs, even weekly planners, in each week, what to do, what not to do, in what sequence the lecture should be watched, after which lecture, which DPP should be solved, etc., is already pre-planned. Okay, right? And doubts group for all these complete course, which is almost like a Telegram group with obviously no disturbance, is available till JEE Advanced 2023. So even if you are joining in, let's say, December end right now, maybe 2 weeks back, some students joined. They are following the running classes, and in that whatever free time that they are getting, they are watching the previous lectures. And remember, after the JEE main session one is over, the February part, you will be able to start doing the course much more rapidly. That's the whole idea. Okay. So as I said, this code Festive 73 is only valid for this full course. It's not valid for the chapter wise courses or 2024 courses. It's only for the JEE Advanced 2023 full complete course. Okay. And it's only valid for the first 100 students. So if you're watching this video, try your best, because I was wanted to keep it for those 40 to 50 students, but then I thought more students might be interested. So I just want to use this as an opportunity to let more students in at a lower price. Okay. So this is it. And now the important part, balancing JEE mains versus JEE advanced preparation, like many students were asking, right? So you should realize that JEE advanced is much more closer than you think. The initial mindset that most of the subscribers in this channel uh, are having is that they're all very serious students. I see the comments in my videos and all very, very serious students are there who want both mains and advanced ranks. So you should not think that it is in June. Let me tell you, in the last month of January, your mains first session, let's say, gets over if it's on schedule. And then February and March, somewhere the disturbance of board exams happen. If you are writing CBSE or state boards, some board exam disturbances will always happen. Some practical exams will be there. So then again in April, you will have the second session, just as in case you don't do well in first session of JEE mains. April, JEE mains second session will happen. Then only May will be there. And last 1 month of May, you should not be doing chapter wise courses or all these things. You should be all grand preparation. Grand means full syllabus preparation. Most probably dedicated towards revising your notes and writing some mock tests, good mock tests. Okay, right. So maybe I'll also plan some test series and all that with authentic JEE physics papers. Okay, so I'll come up with some announcement in the coming days. Okay, so that is closer, right? And my advice to good students who want rank in both after realizing that it is close is, once you are in the JEE advanced crash course of mine, they should at least keep watching lectures till Jan. For example, week 8, week 9, week 10, they're already there within January. So during the week, in the weekly planner, make sure you watch the lectures. Just keep watching the lectures. DPP part, if you are not finding time because you are preparing for mails, that can be restarted from February 2023. Like I said, I will always be there in the doubts group later also, right? And doubts group is so busy, right? And so beautifully balanced, and in the way that it is disciplined. That is the most important thing, right? So students ask good questions and good responses come from me and my faculty. So that's the best thing about it, and that will continue till JEE Advance. Okay. So DPPs can be started from February 2023, but if you are aiming for a good JEE Advanced rank, and you don't do anything for JEE Advanced, not watch lectures, not solve problems, and you lose the touch from the JEE Advanced preparation, whatever uh, efforts you have put in till now unnecessarily will get nullified because all the exams are now very, very close to each other. So that losing of touch should not happen. So if you are a slightly weak student, I'll still uh, advise you that whatever lectures are coming your way, let's say this week some marathon lectures of AC, alternating current, have been released in the JEE Advanced Crash Course. If you can't solve the DPPs, at least watch the lectures. Watch it in 1.25x also. It makes sure that whatever problem solving skills that you are watching, all those things will be registered in your mind, and then the practice starts in February once JEE mains is over. Okay, others who are not that much interested in mains and they just pass and want to pass, and advance is very, very important for them, you should be joining it immediately, joining the crash course immediately. Okay, for the new students, okay, this is already known to all the people, right? I generally don't call my course as the best course or something like that. I call it BAP of all courses. BAP is a superset, okay, right? The reason is the amount of salient features, amount of course features that are there, that is making it a whole something. That's the only thing. It's not like a bragging thing, it's a reality. Okay, so all these things have already been explained, right? It's just for you to pause the video and check what are there. Most important things are recorded lectures with timetable, when to watch what, in what order. DPPs are also there coupled with these lectures. There's a free Pathfinders doubt group for all the students who take JEE Advanced 2023. That is also very, very active nowadays. Students ask good JEE related Pathfinder doubts. Okay, so that's running properly there. And rest of the things I think you can read down. And part tests are happening every weekend with good new questions and relevant questions. If you write some of the AATS of recent times, they are very, very misleading with either too tough or too easy. So we do slightly balance. About full tests, I'll make an announcement in coming days. Okay, so whatever tests that we are going to come up with will all be free for those students who are going to take the JEE Advanced full course 2023. Okay, so that you need not worry about. So for the new students, you need to just download the PHYSICSSIRJEE app. And if at all you couldn't understand what I said and all that, you have still got some doubts and all, you can direct message me, DM me in the app itself. You can directly ask what you wanted to know about the course. Or in general, also students without buying the course also, they keep asking their general queries, not the physics doubts. I encourage physics doubts only in the groups doubts group, whereas DM is for the non-physics queries. You can ask how to prepare and all that. I'll help you out. No, not an issue. So pin comment will give you the information about how to download the app and how to access it. Okay, right? And if you want more information about the details of the app, rules and regulations of following the app, whether to use mobile for what purpose and laptop for what purpose, and some rules about single device, single person, etc., etc. I don't want to again talk about all those things. It was done during the app launch video somewhere in the October. So all these coupon codes now on the thumbnail don't apply. They are not there. The only coupon code that will work is that festive 73 for the full course. Okay, so this is just for the rules. So that's why if you have any doubts, just download the app, DM me, I'll be able to help you. Okay, right. And for those who are preparing for mains, just a small reminder. I have created a 30-day plan. This will be the thumbnail inside the app for that particular course plan. And almost 41 files, all files are free. All the PYQs are free. I've explained how they're free and how they can be accessed. Only the payment needs to be done if you want to access the doubts group. Okay. All right. So I just don't want to again repeat all these things. You just watch the video. The video comes up in the I button above. Right. That's it. Right. Thanks for all the love. You know the routine. I request for like, share, and subscribe. And people who show the unconditional love have been doing this. That's how I came this far, and my reach has crossed the boundaries, the beyond my imagination. So let's keep it that way. Let's hope I keep reaching more and more students who are interested. Okay. Thanks a lot. See you in the new year.